Hi guys, welcome to Coding World. So today in this video we will try to solve this problem. Print the n terms of the series 6, 28, 66, 120, 190 and 276 so on. So this is the series that we need to print. So we will try to first comprehend the series. So it is given that 6. Okay, let me comment that. Yes. So it is 6, 28, 66, 120 and so on. So this is the series, and what we need to do is we need to find a pattern on how to print this series. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3, right? And 28, let us check. Okay, it can be written as 2 into 14, and 66 can be written as 2 into 33. Okay, sorry. And 66 can be written as 2 into 33. So let us try whether there is any pattern on these three numbers: 3, 14, 33. 3, 14, 33. Is there any pattern? I think there is no pattern, right? These numbers. So let us try another way. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3. 28 can be written again as 4 into 7, and 66 can be written as 6 into 11, and next 120 can be written as 8 into 15, right? Yeah. So this is how the series will go, and we will try to find a pattern in this. So it is 2 plus 2 4, and 4 plus 2 6, and 6 plus 2 8. Yes, there is a pattern, and we will try to find a pattern in these numbers. 3 plus 4 would be 7, and 7 plus 4 would be 11, and 11 plus 4 would be 15. Yes, there are patterns in both these numbers. So we'll try to write this now as number n equal to, let us the digit be k into, so these are all odd numbers, right? An odd number can be written in the way as 2k minus 1. So let us try to write. So this would be 2k, and k would be here 2, right? 2k minus 1. Yes. So here k would be 2. It would imply 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 minus 1, right? So that would imply, yeah, so it would be 2 into 4 minus 1. It would be 2 into 3. That would be 6, and we will increment k by 2 now. So k equal to k plus 2, so that we will get 4 into 4, 2 into 4 minus 1. It would imply 4 into 7. That would be 28. Again we will increment by 2, so it would be 6, and this would be 2 into 6 minus 1. and it would imply 12 minus 1 11, 6 into 11, it would be 66, right? Yes. So this is how our pattern gets follows. So here nth term or the kth term would be, let us write kth term would be equal to k into 2k minus 1, right? So this is how we will try to solve this problem. We'll start writing code now. So we will define a function series of n, and we'll initialize k equal to 2, because our series starts with 2, right? Yeah, here k would be 2, so k equal to 2 for I in range of n, for I in range of n. So we'll print k into 2k minus 1 and n equal to this is the space that we will get in between the numbers, and we will increment k by 2, so k plus equal to 2, right? I think we are done. So let us print k. There's no need to write print. So series of 5. I'll hit save and I will try to run this. Python file name is reg.py. Okay, I'm getting an error here. Yeah, fry in range. Okay, 010. See, here we got the series 628, 66, 120, 190. Is that we want to print? Yeah. So let us try for a greater number like 10. See, we have got the series 628, 66, 120, 190, 276. So this is the series. So we have tried to solve this problem by finding a pattern in the digits or the numbers. So we found a regular pattern, that is number would be in the form k into 2k minus 1, and we solved the problem. If you like this problem, then hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.